Uh-uh. Mic test, mic test. Okay, hello everyone. Um, I'm gonna analyze current Bitcoin movement and look at what might happen. So there was a big coming down from October October 5th. It's been about 5 days, a week now. Um, so initially, I was thinking that this would go up one more time and then make a nice ABC, like a diagonal A, B, C, D, E. So totally A, B, C, something like this, and come down. But it was wrong. Yeah, and everything was because of this big short right here. Um, this confirmed that it's either A, B, C, or A, B, C. In wave counting in perspective, this is more likely, but it's very tough. I am still quite confused. It's also possible that this, um, you know, it did not reach. If it reached, then if it reached right here, then it was a perfect ABC, something like this. But I believe the wave is actually ending here soon. I did take along around this area. I'll count for you. Let's go to Bybit because I use Bybit. So I believe it's coming like A, B, and a C. C is actually, it looks about done. I did take along about here. I took a stop loss actually, but I immediately took long afterwards. So it, with my count, you probably know that ABC, ABC consists something like this and a impulse 5 waves. And this 5 waves, we want to count this 5 waves, but sometimes this impulse gets extended with third wave, goes something like that. And this is how I look at it right now. So this structure is somewhat similar to this structure. So if I go into details, it's 1, 2, and then here is a third wave. It's a 3, 4, and 5. I think it's done. Um, and if I go into more details on the third wave, it was a leading diagonal like this. So it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for the fifth wave, we see an extended diagonal. I explained it in the previous videos. It was a nice long. And here was a nice ABC ending. And then you see here, it's a ABC. And then going upwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's probably something like this. So I see this is completed if I look at the indicators. So for example, if I go into 4 hours, I don't see anything in 4 hours. Let's see in 1 hour. I see double divergence. So around this area, there's a divergence going upwards. This area, if it defends and goes a little bit something like this, then it's a divergence confirmed. And usually when there are double divergence, it is a nice reversal. We could see easily in the diagonals. For example, if I go to daily, uh, in this area was, I believe it was double divergence, triple actually. Yeah, it's a third wave and the fifth wave divergence. And from the fifth wave, there are ending diagonal, and ending diagonals have divergences. It's quite similar to this here as well, and here with a divergence like this. So if I if I go into further detail why this might be the end, besides the um, besides the yep, I'm back. Let's look at the weekly resistance. So this has let's see, daily. Yep. And then if I go in, this was a very nice purchase line. That's the resistance. Bought it around here. And so let's see if this counting is correct. Where is this going? Where would this go? So my initial counting is still valid. It's not confirmed wrong. So I do want to keep this as my last source of confirmation whether this is going up. So if let's say this is a confirmed ABC, very simple with a triangle, and from here onwards it's quite difficult. And since it broke this top, this is a confirmed ABC. Now from here, it has many ways to see this wave. So you can see this as ABC, and B probably a triangle and a short C wave. Here was a very short C wave. It is also possible this is a short C wave of this triangle. So A, B, C, D, E, and then from here, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is possible, highly unlikely. I don't think any E wave is, I've never seen an E wave this short. In a bigger scale, of course. In a smaller scale, everything happens. So who knows? And if I had to count, this was an ABC, and then coming down was also confirmed because it broke here an ABC, A, B, C. Or you can also see it as double or triple combos. And if this is going up as a C wave, it's probably something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, hold on. Go into details. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this is leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. So I'll see this as an impulse, in my opinion. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Something like this. The only thing that gets me is this trend line. It barely broke the trend line. Usually fourth wave they break the trend line, but this one barely broke it, so it's very difficult. It could easily be seen as something like ABC. So A, B, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, C. But no matter what, this wave is complete here. And what we need to do is find a wave that's going down and complete the wave that's going down. So if this ABC is complete something like this, or something like this, then we find ABC coming down, and then we may be able to eat the C wave. But another thing is this B wave here. The length of this B wave is shorter than the B wave in the previous wave. So for example, when there's A, B, C going up, and there's A, B, C, usually this B wave is smaller than this B wave. That is just something that I notice all the time, and right now it's not the case. This B wave is bigger than this B wave, so so what that means is, number one, if this goes up to break somewhere here, it is highly likely that it makes an ABC something like this, expanding diagonal. A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if it not, so that's the first case, goes upwards. Second case is going downwards. It's something like do an ABC and then come down with another diagonal coming down like here somewhere, which means this B wave would be much bigger than this B wave. Then it's ready to go for a very high C. So there are two cases when we actually get support from here. One is going up and down, and then go up again. This is the second case, and the first case is this is the bottom, and it just reaches about here. This is also very likely, but there's a catch. Why do you think it's going constantly down, even though ABC has been done for you know, it could have gone up here easily, and it could have gone up here easily, but why it came down one more time? It's probably because of the liquidity of money. So if I look at Nasdaq right now, it's at almost the lowest bottom in many years. Well, I guess actually 1 year. Let's see. Yeah, about a year. It's the lowest, almost. It may break and go down. It may not. If it does, then it is possible to for Bitcoin to go further down. I don't know. This is a little scary. So if Nasdaq actually supports and comes up to about here somewhere, then I believe Bitcoin would probably go up a lot higher. Um, Probably a lot higher somewhere here. Then then this could be seen as leading diagonal maybe, something like this, or even ABC that I told you, something like that. But no matter what, when it comes up to here, I would take profit or take short. That's pretty much everything. And let's see the smaller counting. See what A, B, B, C, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I expect to hold on. There was a triangle here, which was fourth wave, and here was also a nice 5 waves down. And here was more like ABC, ABC, and then a B, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B, oh wait, A, B, 1, 2, 3, C, 1, 2. This is quite confusing. ABC. Actually, in many other trading platforms, this actually went up. For example, Binance. Maybe not for Binance. Yeah, I hear Bitcoin are just dollaring Coinbase. It was a nice ABC formation here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would see this area as the point of the highest. So if I go back.